Yeah, of course.
Geneva.
We're in Geneva.
Where are we headed?
We are headed in a 3-hour bus on our way to French Alps.
I'm excited.
Me too.
Here we have a wild Lucas.
That's a good accent. That's a good
I'm working on my Australian accent. A wild Lucas sitting on the sofa.
That was actually really good. It weirds me out when people do a good Australian accent.
What can I say? I'm literally just a fountain of talent.
Fast in a time.
What are you doing?
I'm just looking at puppies.
Who's up next? What are we making today, you guys?
Ask Nathan.
Nathan?
Sexy fajitas. It's the second dish I know how to make.
Okay, head chef. With pizzazz.
But we don't actually know how to get.
Yeah, I was gonna say, is it even
We
on?
don't know how to turn it on. You don't like raw chicken?
Here's Magnus to save the day.
Hi.
Ooh, get the spotlight.
Come along.
Let's give a tour of dinner.
No one's here. Well,
No one-
everyone's.
No one's here to eat dinner.
Review.
Yum.
She's delicious.
She's been eaten right up, so.
What do you think?
It's good. That was a lot.
I have a question for you.
What is your question?
It's about money.
Good morning. It is. What date is it?
Mads, do you know what day it is?
I have no idea.
I haven't known since the beginning of this year, I'm not gonna lie. I've just been taking every day as it comes.
Also, I'm bringing a bag with me. Do you have anything to try? I guess we have like bread as well.
I'll have bread if you have bread.
I have bread. Jam or a skink?
Huh?
Ham?
Oh.
Jam?
Yeah, sure.
Jam. Slay.
We are skiing right now.
Yes, we are.
So, we just faced our fears.
You look so fucking good.
Really?
No, literally, I want to take a
Even though
video
I
of
look like
this.
an egg right now?
You
with
do
no-
not. Like, you actually look so good. Wait,
my
don't
God.
talk yet. Okay.
So what was that? Okay, we just faced our fears and did a really steep and thin little section, and yeah, it was really scary, and we did it. And now we're feeling a little bit better, but it's scary. We thought we were killing it yesterday,
Yeah.
but progress isn't linear, so back to square one.
Right. How beautiful it is, though.
So gorgeous. Oh yeah, fit check.
We just went on the blue slope. Pretty damn good, if you ask me.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah. That's Nico, our ski instructor, or Italian stallion.
Yeah.
Say hi, Nico.
Hi.
Am I covering the microphone?
I don't know where the microphone is.
Okay, slay. So we're all black today. We're actually matching. We'll show you later.
I'll show you earlier.
We'll show.
We're wearing matching beanies.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Let's go!
I got a ring notification. That was going in the right direction.
It was at one point.
Oh, maybe it was.
Right, a spare. Last round, goal. Go on, lad.
No pressure. Just last round.
Look at those feet.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah. It's 8:56 p.m. Only 8:56. This photo. I think. No. Listen. Look. No. Put it away. Put it away. Turn it off.
No, it can't go away.
What's happening?
Hi.
It's actually Magnus's birthday, and we got
It's Magnus's 45th birthday. It's Magnus's 45th birthday. I actually just had snot flow out my nose.
Take two.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
It's Magnus's 45th birthday.
And we've just discovered that Lucas comes from a signet ring family. Show him your signet ring. He's gonna get fun.
You're gonna go.
What does that mean?
And me and Louisa are engaged as of 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, exactly.
It's very
married.
No, film the shirt. Film the shirt. He did indeed fuck up. Oh, you're not bad. I'm trying to disguise it. No, he can't disguise it. He can't.
Bad news. Let's go interview.
Yeah, everyone.
Let's go interview Magnus.
Magnus?
Magnus!
It's such a villain name.
What was that?
The fact that you've just shown me myself. There was no need. That was vicious.
problem for me because you know,
And it was just like I had a really nice I'm actually breaking a little bit of a sweat. I'll be sorry. I had to take off my thermal layers.
Hey vlog.
I don't know if you saw the bald version of me. I actually have hair, but if I didn't have no hair,
That is big
I would
scary.
look something like this.
It's a little bit I need
What the fuck is this?
It's actually the prequel to a porno.
Oh.
Yeah, it always starts this way.
Yeah, it's like a 20-minute vid. 3 minutes of sex, only 3.
That was pretty funny, actually. That was really funny.
2, 1.
I should be wiser.
Less brown without you. There's one less problem. I am the view. Us and the view. I make out.
We've been cleaning all morning and packing, and now we're headed off. Louise has packed her whole luggage on her. So cozy, I swear.
All my heaviest items so that it's not overweight.
No?
Guys, we're going. This is my farewell to the vlog. Hopefully there was enough content to make a vlog out of. Who knows? If not, it's just for my own personal records.
I want to see too.
For mine and Amelia's own personal records. Bye, loves.